Hello YouTube. Just want to make this real quick short video. This is a 2017 Cub Cadet. I believe it's a 54-inch deck. Been having some trouble starting it up cold starts for the past couple of years. Bought it in 2017 and I'm having the same issue with my mom's. When you start up cold, it cranks and cranks and cranks, and it just doesn't want to fire, and then when it finally does, it smokes like hell. So what I found out was on both tractors, there's a cable adjustment down here for the throttle cable, and my issue was it was not closing the choke all the way, and my choke, when I would put it on, would be about halfway closed, and now obviously it closed all the way. So this is a cold start. Just wanted to show that it starts up perfectly now that the cable's adjusted. And finally, no smoke. So just make sure, if you guys got the same issue with your Cub Cadet 7000 series 24 horse, that if you loosen up this screw right here and pull on this cable, just make sure inside that plate for the carburetor on the choke side is completely shut. And hopefully that'll take care of all your issues. Have a good one, YouTubes.